lately we've been talking a lot about cryptocurrency mining. Mining Bitcoin on ASIC machines, mining Ethereum on GPU rigs, even mining Bitcoin on your gaming PC. But in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can mine Bitcoin with no investment at all. How you can mine Bitcoin on the PC you already have, on the laptop you already have, or especially if you have some cell phones lying around, you can start mining Bitcoin right now. I'm your host, Tech Hustler. Oakley dokley, welcome to another video. My name's Tech Hustler. I review applications and websites that you can start using right now to make a little bit of income on the side. That'll be in the form of PayPal, gift card, or like we're gonna review today, cryptocurrency. So if you like that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We also do a lot of other things as well, so you might as well hit that like button while you're down there as well. So now that we got that out the way, let's go. We're talking about the Cryptotab browser. This is there's a few out there. But this is the main one, Cryptotab browser. This is gonna allow you to mine on your PC, and it doesn't have to be a gaming PC. It doesn't have to be some expensive PC. You're gonna be able to mine on your laptop. And of course, when we're done with my computer right here, I'll take you to my little Cryptotab mining farm and we'll talk about that. But anyways, Cryptotab browser, I'll have a link in the description. You can join my mining pool, and the more people I have on my mining pool, the more we're all going to make. So anyways, all you do, you can download it on your PC, iOS, I believe, yeah, iPhone as well. And they have a, and it is a browser. We'll pull my browser up in a second. It is a browser. It's based on Chromium. You can import all your bookmarks. But honestly, when it comes to browsers and cryptocurrency, I use let me get it in here. I use Brave. I've talked about it before. I should have been using it a lot more. That's not right. I have some more than that. But anyways, I use Brave. You can earn BAT tokens. We'll talk about that again later. So there is also Cryptotab Browser Pro. But when I go through this, I don't see anything that would benefit mining. This is just gonna benefit your browser experience. So anyways, I would just use Brave. Brave is also very, very, very safe as well from my browser. And I would just mine cryptocurrency. And I'm gonna pull up right now with the Cryptotab browser. So here we are, right here, Cryptotab browser. Like I said, you can import all your bookmarks, everything. Use this just like Chrome. Now we're gonna go to my miner. And if you have, obviously if you have a gaming rig, if you have something with the GPU in it, I would always try NiceHash first. But if you have a basic PC, a basic laptop, definitely give Cryptotab browser a shot. Now with Cryptotab browser, you're not gonna make a ton. You're not gonna make a ton of money, but there is an option to make a little bit more money with Cloud Boost. And we're gonna get started. We're gonna hop off and start mining right in the middle. And this does use your CPU power, so hopefully it doesn't affect the recorder. And I'm just gonna show you right now that it does use some power. So we're at 32%. I'm gonna move it up to the max and we'll see how much power we use. And then I'm gonna stop mining because I don't know if it's gonna affect the quality of this video. So without recording, I've seen this get up to 5,000, which is like 5 of my phones right now. And look at that load, guys. 60% load. So we're gonna turn that off right now. So obviously, if you're actively using your computer, you don't want to mine. That should be common sense, but I'm just going to go ahead and say that right now. So anyways, as we walk through here, I've only been using this. I reviewed this about a year ago, and I gave a shout out to a couple of my buddies, Endless Routes. You know, and I haven't really revisited this. Sorry guys, sorry. You know. Anyways, revisited this since then, and I did have about $16 in my referrals. And since I've been mining, I've made 28 cents. And that's about 3 days, but not 24/7. A couple hours here and there. I've only been home 2 of those days. And you'll see, I'll talk about how I'm mining here in a minute. But if you have a number of phones, if you do the cloud boost, I've seen the results online. You can make some money from Cryptotab browser. So we'll keep that in mind. And if you like this video, you know, I'll do the boost. We're going to talk about the boost here in a second when we get on the cell phones, when we get on the phones. And, you know, I might even buy the Pro version as well, just to see what happens, but only if you guys want me to. And before we jump into my little Cryptotab farm right here, in the comments down below, let me know if you're already using it. Let me know how you're using Cryptotab browser, how many phones, how many devices, whether you're using the cloud boost or not, whether you're using Cryptotab browser Pro. And just let me know your experiences. And if you start using Cryptotab Browser Pro today, if you join my mining pool, let me know in the comments down below. And I believe if you already have Cryptotab Miner, that you can just sign out, sign back in, or maybe delete the app, then hop back in, and then you're going to be able to put that code right there and join my mining pool. So anyways, I'll leave a link in the description for that and a link in the comments. Now this will pay out. Obviously you're going to need a Bitcoin wallet to pay out, but you can store your cryptocurrency here until then. So time to enable mining. So that's going to do it for my face right here. We're going to jump into my money making computer. And we're going to hop into the screen of my phones, and we're going to talk a little bit more about Cryptotab browser. Oakley dokley, guys. First off, the GPU mining rig, mining Ethereum, slapping and clapping. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see a video on this. I'm going to put one up regardless if you say you don't or not, so it doesn't matter. And what's up, Plant? And of course, books.
I'm a lot more proud of these 7 new bookshelves that I had to get installed to hold 2,000 new books that I bought.
And here we go, guys. So I've been going through my old phones. I'm gonna be selling some phones on eBay. I've got like 10 phones to sell on eBay. I've got like 10 phones that are completely junk. I'm gonna put on the recycler. And these are my 4 Cryptotab phones, and that's my mode phone that I use Cryptotab on as well. And like I said, I've only been mining like 3 days, and I'd say maybe 6 to 8 hours out of 2 days. And the other day I only had 1 phone, again, maybe 6 to 8 hours, and I made 25 cents. So if I use my public school math, I would say if you had 10 phones, you can probably get maybe 5 to 10 cents a day per phone if you're on top of it. If you're just signing up, every 2 to 3 hours, you gotta check in. So you gotta hit that button every couple hours, but not on your PC, not on your PC. But here's the thing, I follow Endless Routes, and he told me today, well, he didn't tell me, I seen in his video, so go give him a sub, that on 10x boost, we're on 1x, that on 10x boost, which hypothetically would put me at 15,000 hashes, that there is no check-in. He told me he's been running 3 days strong. So you gotta give this video a thumbs up. If this video gets 500 likes, we'll buy some cloud boosts. We'll buy, I don't know, a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cloud boosts, and we will see. We'll see if we can get it passive. But one thing you gotta do, you have got to use my link. You've got to join my mining pool. All you have to do is use a referral. If you're already on a pool, just try and switch, because the more people we get on my pool, the more we're gonna make. And as you can see, these phones right here, about 1,500 hashes, and my money-making computer, this is an old Lenovo something running like Windows 7. I don't know, so, and it's crazy. So you see, that's all I'm getting right there. On my gaming rig, you can see I got about 5,000 hashes, which was about all these phones put together. I probably could have got a little bit more without my recording software and everything like that. So anyways, mining on phones, slightly profitable. Definitely going to be more profitable with the cloud boost, and if you can get this completely passive. Like I said, it is passive on your computers, but apparently not unless you have the 10x cloud boost on the phone. So like I said, if this video does well, we will revisit this app often, and I will buy the boost. I'll even buy the pro version. But this video has to get at least like 5,000 views, 500 likes, let's say within a week. Then I'll come back in a week and we'll talk about it. So anyways, that's gonna do it for us right here. Let's go look at my face one more time. Oakley dokley, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Hit that like and hit that bell if you don't want to miss a video from your boy Tech Hustler. So that's gonna do it for today. Happy earnings. Peace.